Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nashwat Sabita with student number 23130420008. So here I would like to explain the content of my essay with the title Analyzing Student Attitudes in English Learning Through Haim Speaking Frameworks, which focus on participants and key dimensions. So, in this short presentation, I will explain my essay which analyzes junior high school students' attitudes toward English learning. So, instead of just looking at what they like, the essay explores how their social and emotional environments influence those attitudes. And here, I used two theories from Haim speaking model, especially the participants and key dimensions, and Garrett's 2010 theory of language attitudes, which divides attitudes into affective or feelings, cognitive or belief, and behavioral or actions. The original study used a questionnaire with 10 Likert scale questions, answered by 9 students aged 12 to 16. The questions were grouped into 3 attitude types: affective, how they feel; cognitive, what they think; and behavioral, what they do. So, in my essay, I reinterpret the result by focusing on who is involved in communication participants and what emotional tone surrounds the interaction key. Participants mean who is part of the communication, like peers, teachers, and parents. So here are some key findings. All 9 students agreed by I practice English with classmates outside the classroom. Most students said they want to make their parents and teacher proud. This shows that social relationships strongly influence how students learn and use English. According to Himes, these participants create roles, peers or supportive friends, and teacher and parents, role models or evaluator. This supports the idea of integrative motivation, learning a language to connect with people and be part of a community. Key refers to the tone or emotional style of communication, whether it's relaxed, tense, fun, etc. Some important results: learning English makes me feel confident, and 9 students agreed with this. I try to speak English even if I make mistakes. 9 students agreed with this. It's good when someone speaks English. 9 students agreed with this. These answers suggest that the emotional tone around English is positive, making students more willing to take risks and speak up. This might be because of encouraging teacher or fun classroom activities like games, clubs, or group tasks. But in contrast, neutral responses to some items show that traditional classroom methods might feel boring or unengaging. In summary, participants like classmates, teachers, and parents give students motivation and purpose in learning English, and a positive key or emotional tone gives them the confidence to speak even with the mistakes. So these findings match Garrett's theory. Language attitudes are not just individual, they are shaped by social experiences. For teacher, this means we must create emotionally safe, inclusive, and socially rich environments, use group work, fun tasks, and positive reinforcement. These insights come from Garrett's P. 2010 Attitudes to Language and Himes D. Foundations in Sociolinguistics. That's all from me about the content of my essay. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.